Kasama natin sa post-game interview, Coach. Congrats on the win. And anong nangyari dun sa fourth quarter na lang kayo lumayo eh? Ano bang thoughts mo sa game and yung pull away ninyo?
Yeah, we have to respect the game, and at the same time, we're trying our team, especially the second group, third group, was really practicing well and doing hard in practice, and I have so many players, actually lahat ng players, unfortunately, doon sa isa lang si Royce, latter part na because very close yung game from start to finish. Actually, we have a bad start and we don't want that to happen because as much as possible, we want a lot of players to be utilized. And nakita natin second or third quarter, nag-pick up na because they want to win. And yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, we always have to respect the game. And let us develop, let us be consistent sa winning attitude. And that's what happened. Makikita mo naman ako. Even Benny, talagang he's trying his best na talaga to play really well and contribute a lot. And makikita nyo, he's really serious. He's defending well and then shooting well. And I hope na mag-continue ito. And this guy, Jericho, kita natin kanina, talagang andun yung kanyang winning attitude. Okay.
Coach, with the win, na-avoid nyo yung number 8 eh. So ano lang yung masasabi mo sa possible quarterfinal opponent nyo, although hindi pa natin alam, pero anong masasabi nyo na sa quarterfinal matchup nyo?
Yeah, we don't want to get into the quarterfinals in a losing because of our standing, we're really hungry for a win. And then the players realize naman ito even though before nangyari nito and our last conference, we're up against Meralco, our last game, whatever happened, win or lose, we're number one. But we played to win at that game. And that's we want to be consistent on that kind of attitude.
Yung Coach, kasi may last 2 games pa tayo bukas and for sure mamonitor nyo rin yan para mamonitor yung seeding nyo for the quarterfinals. Pero how important was it lang for you guys na papasok kayo ng playoffs na may 3 straight wins?
Yeah, that's why marami nga nagsasabi na if we will lose, we will face and Lex at the same time. More or less, alam na namin kung sinong kalaban kung natalo kami. But we don't want to develop that kind of habit. Namimili ka ng kalaban because what I've told to the team is let us respect the game. Kailangan let us be consistent on winning attitude. And that's what happened. Dahil until lang naman, hindi mo pa rin alam kung sinong kalaban mo. So, bahala na sila kung sila na mag-adjust kung sino makakalaban nila. But kami, our focus on the game.
Jericho, kasi nung first few games mo wala ka dahil may injury ka. Ngayon, with this best player of the game, anong ibig sabihin nito sa'yo going into the playoffs na mukhang you're back to your usual form?
Well, it's a good sign kasi yun nga yung nangyari sa akin, na-injured ako. So, medyo mahirap yun for me. Medyo nahirapan ako makarecover kasi buong back ko yung hindi ko magalaw So, ngayon, during therapy, tas practice namin, ngayon nakukuha ko na ulit pati yung kumpiyansa ko sa game, yung mga galaw ko, usually yung mga galaw ko before, hindi ko magawa. So ngayon, nagagawa ko na. So, I'm happy na ito nangyari going into playoffs.
Jericho, gano'n lang baking bagay si Benny sa inyo sa team? Kasi actually, based sa mga post mo sa Facebook, medyo mga close kayo
Follow mo ako
Pero ano lang yun sa gano'ng kalaking bagay sa inyo si Benny?
Well, with Benny kasi nakalaro na namin siya before, naging teammate na rin. So, nag-champion na kami with him. The good thing about Benny is floor spacer. So, lumulungot kami pag nandun sa si Benny. So, ayun, excited lang din ako na talagang kami to the playoffs kahit twice defeat yung kalaban namin. Siyempre, paghirapan namin na makuha yung kahit sinong team na makakalaban namin.
Thank you, Coach. Good luck sa playoffs.
Thank you. Shoutout sa asawa ko at saka sa baby ko sa bahay. Love you guys.
Bukas pa malalaman,